This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a page border in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. I have a little example project here. Say that I wanted to add a page border to this project that I'm working on here. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Design tab. You want to click on Design. Then on the ribbon, you want to go down to the far right, down to where it says Page Borders, and click on Page Borders. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, I am on the middle tab, Page Border, and then off to the left here under Settings. As you can see, by default, none is set. There's no page border. The one below that is Box. If you click on Box, off to the right here, you could see a little example of what it will look like. The one below that is Shadow. I'm going to click on Shadow. And as you can see, it's kind of a shadow border. Then you have 3D, or you have Custom. I'm going to go with Box. I'm going to click on Box. Then off to the right of that, Style. You can choose what type of a border you want. Do you want a solid line? Do you want a dotted line? You could scroll down through these. Do you want a double line, a triple line, a thicker line? I'm going to choose this double line here. Then down below that, you can choose the color of the border that you want. I'm going to click the drop down. You could choose one of these colors. I'm going to stay with black. Down below that, you can choose the width of your line. I'm going to click the drop down here. You could choose one of these widths. I'm going to leave mine the way it is. And then down below that is art. Would you want to go with an art line? I'm going to click the drop down. You can choose between one of these as your border. I'm going to leave mine the way it is. Then off to the right of that, apply to the whole document. You can click the drop down here. If you have a section selected, you could choose a section. You could choose the first page only, or all the sections except the first page. I'm going to leave mine be. I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on OK. And now as you can see, my page has a border around it now. That is how to add a page border in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.